Easy-to-use pixel cut AI tools to make your photos stand out. Pixel Cut AI Background Remover instantly removes the background of your photos in seconds. Then you can add any new background or leave it transparent. Erase.bg is a website that provides an AI-powered tool for automatically removing backgrounds from images. It allows users to upload images and quickly get a transparent background version without requiring manual editing. The service is free to use and is designed to be simple and efficient, catering to both personal and professional needs. Cutout Pro AI Free Batch Image Background Remover. Removing background from an image has never been easier with this AI background eraser. You can make background transparent and create stunning visuals in no time. Cutout Pro, it's the best background remover and PNG.